We're on a mission to bring simplicity, visibility, and predictability to physicians, hospitals, and pharmacies through medication intelligence. We take an individual dose, starting at the manufacturer level, wrap intelligence around it, and follow it all the way to the patient. It's the evolution of inventory management technology with full integration and operational insight, providing a complete end-to-end solution from manufacturers to pharmacies to patients. Seamless, cloud-based IT systems that are easy to install, simple to implement, and proven to achieve results. KitCheck delivers accuracy, verification, and time savings. As the leading automated medication tray and cart management system, KitCheck helps hospital pharmacies quickly identify missing, expired, or incorrect medications in each tray, ensuring that the right drug gets to the right patient at the right time and right place. Dose ID is working to create consistency throughout the industry. As a key member of Dose ID, we're helping to establish RFID standardization across all hardware or software systems to ensure optimized tracking performance from manufacturing to implementation. BlueSight provides controlled substance tracking and insights. As the #1 rated drug diversion monitoring solution, BlueSight offers a proactive approach by digging deep into data to analyze risk and mitigate future problems. Using machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data from more than 150 partner hospitals, BlueSight delivers unique insights about your pharmacy's behavior, enabling your team to get ahead of possible risks. BlueSight Insights, a fully automated software solution to help manage costs, people, and processes, streamlining supply chain management, to help you manage your medication inventory and maximize your savings potential. Medication intelligence, integrated solutions that are bringing simplicity, visibility, and predictability to a world of care.